Jai Srimanarayana. 17th sloka of 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sattvat sanjayate jnanam rajaso लोभयेव च प्रमादमोहौ तमसो भवतो ज्ञानम् एव च ఓం సాత్విక గుణం develops real knowledge. Rajasa gunam develops greed and grief. Tamasa gunam develops ignorance, illusion, foolishness, madness. So keep on trying to develop, improve Satvika Gunam. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall definitely start taking steps to improve Satvika Gunam in me. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapetamapetakrutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra. In that process, Sri Sukha Yogindra narrating the story of Gajendra Mokshanam, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, as per the fate, Gajendra got held by one crocodile. Gajendra using all his strength but was unable to get rid of the grip of crocodile. Tadhaturam yudhapatim karenavo vikrusyamanam tarasa baliyasa. When Gajendra was in that kind of helpless state, all female elephants also got depressed and started staring at Gajendra and moving to tears. They were unable to extend any kind of help because there is so much strength to crocodile. The female elephants was unable to do anything. Like that, crocodile and Gajendra, both of them were pulling each other. Crocodile trying to pull Gajendra into water. Gajendra trying to pull crocodile out of the water. Like that, Kari Diguchu, Makari Sarasiki, Kari Darikini, Makari Diguchu. Like that, while pulling, Alayaka Solayaka Vesatan, Alayaka Kari Makari Todan, ఉద్దండత రాత్రులు సంధ్యలు దివసంబులు సలిపెంబోరు 1000 సంవత్సరముల్. Like that, both of them, while pulling each other, they fought each other for 1000 years. When such long time fight was going on, all the devatas also getting surprised to see that fight between elephant and crocodile. After that, after 1000 years, tataha Gajendrasya mano balaujasam kalena dirghena mahanabhut vyayaha. Because for 1000 years long, Gajendra was being pulled into water and Gajendra was constantly fighting. Gajendra's manobalam, the willpower and the physical strength, both of them have gone down. Whereas crocodile, his strength is increasing because crocodile is an animal which is supposed to be living in the water. Because he is in the water, his strength, physical strength, mental strength, everything is increasing. Like that, as per fate, this elephant got held by crocodile. Elephant's strength has gone down. Elephant has gone to a state where there is no help at all, and elephant is realizing that he cannot come out from that danger. And now, because elephant also thinking that he is going to die, he is now getting scared. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. ఓం శ్రీకృష్ణ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. ముకుందమాల. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణే నామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 14th chapter 17th శ్లోక. సత్వాత్ సంజాయతే జ్ఞానం రజసో లోభ ఏవ చ ప్రమాదమోహౌ తమసః భవతో జ్ఞానమేవ చ. సత్వాత్ సంజాయతే జ్ఞానం రజసో లోభ ఏవ చ ప్రమాదమోహౌ తమసః భవతో జ్ఞానమేవ చ. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.